Welcome to the Xander zone. Today we are going to make an electromagnet. You are going to need copper wire, D battery, 3-inch nail, paper clips, and tape.
Make sure safety.
Let's get started. Safety first.
We did safety.
What
are y'all doing?
We're going to wrap the wire around the nail.
You gotta wrap it tightly.
I think I messed up.
No, you didn't mess up.
You need safety first so you don't poke your eye with the nail or the wire.
Yep.
Take it real good. So what is it doing, guys?
It's picking up the nail, the paper clips.
Run out of battery.
Yeah. Okay. All right, now.
Make sure it's gonna get too hot, so make sure you take it. You take the wire off. So make sure you don't touch the top part. Please like our video and subscribe or share our video. Thank you for watching. Bye.